You have heard all the buzzing and the hype about digital marketing, but you are scared to try it because you don't know where to start. And the best of it all is I was there exactly where you are today. Exactly where you are feeling, gee, you'd also like to make a extra income from home. You'd also like to make a passive income from your phone, but you don't know where to start. And you don't know how to build a website and you aren't tech savvy. That's no problem. Because with our beginner friendly step by step program, you get taught how to get your business online. And it is so easy. So if you're interested in starting your digital marketing journey, put yes in the comments and I would love to send you some more details so that we can get you going. Have a good one, everybody.